Binance Exchange to Web3 wallet. So let me show you step by step how the steps work. So the first thing to do now, here is Web3 wallet in the Binance. After you go to the Web3 wallet in the Binance, so the next thing to do, so go to this receipt button. After you click on the receipt button, so you just tap on this option, the first one. So after you tap on the first one, so here it will give you all your Binance Exchange. So all your Binance Exchange, so balance. So now choose the one that you want. So after you choose the one that you want, now select the network. I'll just, let's say, use this network, this one, the first one. After you select the network, now go to continue. So from there, now it will ask you to type in the amount. So the minimum amount is 10. So I'll just type in 10 USD. That's the minimum amount. After you type in the amount, if you have available in your Binance Exchange, just tap on the transfer. So from there, your Binance Exchange to Web3 wallet has completed. That is the step. So you'll be able to see the balance in your Binance wallet, that in your Binance Web3 wallet. Hope this video helps. Like, subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.